If your Android phone has become slow, don't worry. There are several ways to make it faster without buying a new phone device. First, restart your phone. A simple restart clears temporary files and refresh the system. Next, delete apps you have no longer used to free up storage space. You should also clear the cache of like Chrome, Facebook, YouTube, as cache data can build up over time. Make sure your phone has at least 20% free storage because a full storage can slow down performance. Disable or remove unnecessary widgets and live wallpaper. As the extra memory and battery, update your Android system and apps to get the latest performance improvement and bug fix. Turn off apps running in the background if you don't need them. You can also reduce animation by enabling developer option and settings the animation scale to 0.5x or turning off them. If your phone still feels slow, scan for malware using trusted security app and remove any suspicious apps. Finally, if nothing else works, backup your important data and perform a factory reset. This gives your phone a fresh start and often restore its original speed. By following this simple step, you can improve your Android phone's performance and enjoy smoother, faster experience every day without spending any money. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.